Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Marwan KIHAL and welcome to our chapter on web application development, designed for second year computer science students at the Faculty of Mathematics and Computer Science, Department of Computer Science at the University of Missoula. Today we are going to explore the front-end programming languages for the web, mainly focusing on HTML and CSS. Let's begin with this diagram. So web development has two main sides, the front end and the back end. First, the front end is everything that the user sees and interacts with directly in the browser. Text, images, buttons, forms, etc. Second one is the back end, on the other hand, handles everything behind the scenes, the server, database, and application logic. Our focus in this chapter is the front end. Front-end development involves different technologies. The most essential one is HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML, provides the structure and contents of a web page. It's like a foundation of a house. Let's see a first code of HTML. In this code, we see several HTML tags like HTML, head, title, body, H1, P, A, etc. Let's now go through these tags one by one. The first tag, we have HTML. HTML is the root element. All content is placed inside it. Second one, we have head. Head contains meta information like the title, styles, and scripts. Body includes all the visible contents that the user will see, and title sets the name that appears on the browser tab. Other important tags are heading, for example, H1 to H6. And here we have an example of code. Welcome to my page. Second one is P. The paragraph is used for blocks of text. And here an example. This is a paragraph of content between the tag P and the closed P. We have other tags for creating forms like form, input, button, etc. for creating interactive forms. We have also the A. A is used to create hyperlinks. And here an example of a URL link, example.com. Also, we have the tag image. Image is used to insert pictures. It has two main attributes, src for the image path and alt for a description. We have also list tags, for example, ul and ol. ul for unordered lists and ol for ordered lists, numbered lists. And here an example of two items. For the item we use the tag li. Here we have an important note. HTML is not case sensitive, but it's considered the best practice to write tags in lowercase. Now let's talk about the CSS, cascading style sheets. If HTML is the structure of the house, CSS is the paint, furniture, and decoration. It defines how the HTML content will look, its colors, fonts, layout, and spacing. Here is a simple code of CSS. This code changes the background to red, background color to red, sets the font colors, the heading, and centers. But how do we link a CSS file to our HTML page? We use this line. So we use the tag link tag inside the head of HTML documents. Then we put the URL or the place of the content dot CSS. This tells the browser to load and apply the styles from an external file called style CSS. Let's summarize. HTML is used to structure the contents of a web page. CSS is used to style and make it visually attractive. You know, you now know the basic tags and how to start building and designing simple web pages. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope this introduction helps you get started with front-end web development. In the next lesson, we will move further into CSS and start working with HTML. And see you next time. Happy coding!